Hey everybody, today I've got a 2012 Buick Enclave and we're going to be putting in the brake pedal position sensor or the brake light switch. Here is the switch. I can only get it from the dealer. There is the part number. Please always have them verify your part number for the vehicle you own. So here is the brake light position sensor. It has a bolt here and it's got a little lineup nub there. So first thing we're going to need to do is it has a plastic shield underneath the dash. Let's get some light underneath here. And it has a pop clip over here and a pop clip here, and then this piece should come out. Let me get this out and I'll show you where the brake light position switch is. Okay, I have the plastic shield out. I use my clip tools. You can buy these at Harbor Freight. And it has 3 of these push pins. You pull the center out and they release, and then that shield pops out. So now we have access in here to get to the brake lights sensor switch right here. It has a wire connection here, and it has 1 bolt right here, which I do believe is 9/32. So we're going to reach up here and we're going to try to unplug the sensor. Sensor is now unplugged. And let me grab my ratchet and my socket, and we will start to loosen the sensor. This bolt is extremely long. I do not know why it is so long. Okay, as you can see, it's got this little pickle fork here. That fork slides over top of that rod right there. Well, now that it has fallen out, I'm gonna need both hands to hold the sensor. Let me get this one out and I'll come right back. All right, I have the old sensor out, and now with the new sensor, you stick it in and then you have to rotate it around until you get the lineup dowel lined up. Let me show you out of the car real quick. So here's the sensor. So you stick the pickle fork in its lineup, and then you actually physically have to twist this to get everything to line up. And then once you get everything lined up, the switch will be in. Let me get it all in. I'll show you the done product. All right, I got the bolt back in. The pickle fork is over the rod, plugged back in, working. Now all I have to do is put the plastic shield back in. So that's how you replace the brake light switch. I'll have to get somebody out here to help me test it, but I think I'll leave it at that. You might have to go into the computer and reset it, but I'm not sure. I don't think so. So I'm gonna leave this here. If there's something more, I'll come back. Okay, so yes, when I put the new brake light position sensor in, we had to get the Altel scanner out, and we had to go into body control module, special functions, and do the BPP sensor calibration to get the new switch calibrated to the car so the brakes will work properly. So you're going to need a high-tech scan tool. You just can't do it with a code reader. I'm using an Altel and it did the job. So now the brake lights work. So now all I have to do is put the shield back on and we're done. All right, everybody. Thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe. You can always do that in that corner. Please give me a thumbs up if you like my automotive videos.